Buffer helps you build an audience organically by giving you powerful features for scheduling, for example. Let's learn to use it. So since you are a beginner, I assume, let's click on Get Started Now to create an account. So I will walk through this login process, and if I'm finished, I will see you on the other side. Okay, this is the first page I see once I completed my sign up, and we can essentially skip this selection to see the basic overview of Buffer. This is the dashboard, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Buffer is pretty simple from its structure, so you don't have very much settings. You can set account preferences and activate notification settings, manage your billing if you have a paid plan. You can always start a 14-day free trial as prompted right here. And these are some tasks to finish our setup. I would love if you could X them out to make the overview more simple, as well as the email verification. But that's essentially it. You can download Buffer for your mobile phone and also browser extensions and connect it with Zapier. That's great. So let's have a look at this page. So Buffer works essentially in two ways. You connect a new channel a new social channel, for example. Let's say a Twitter profile. You simply click on connect, go through the connection process. Once you have a connected channel on your free plan, you can connect 3 channels at a time. You are then able to access this publishing calendar view, choose a channel, and then schedule a post into set time spot. So for example, on, Saturday, 2 p.m., we want to click create a new post, say hello world, and excuse me. Now we could share it. We choose to which channel we want to share this great post, and then it would get shared. Now we want to discard the settings. So this is essentially the entire publishing page. It is pretty self-explanatory. It is as if you would post to the default social media, but it allows you to schedule it. So you can schedule weeks and even months in advance without needing to always be on your phone or your device that you're using social media. Then in analytics, you can track your revenue and channel growth and clicks and all of that fancy social media tracking metrics stuff, but it only works in a paid version. The same goes for the other panels like engagement. So essentially what Buffer really boils down to on the free plan and for a complete beginner is this calendar page where you can create a new post, schedule it in the calendar to a connected channel, and then enjoy yourself, lean back and see as your posts are published automatically.